Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add product variants in BigCommerce. So we're going to click on products and add. On this tab right here, there is a variations tab. Just click on it. It's going to direct you to the variants. And here you can add a variant option. Just click on that. And also here, click add variant option. And you can choose which variant you would like, or you could also name your own. So I'm just gonna click color here. You can choose what type, and also the types of variants you want. After inputting and selecting all that is desired, just click on save variants and you're done. Thanks for watching.